Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're spotlighting one of the most powerful and feature-packed mini PCs on the market, the MINISFORUM UM890 Pro, powered by AMD's newest Ryzen 9 8945HS and loaded with next-gen performance. Let's start with the specs. This thing is a beast in a box. The AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS offers 8 cores and 16 threads with boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz, built on the efficient Zen 4 architecture. Paired with 64GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you're getting blisteringly fast performance for everything from creative work to virtualization, gaming, and AI-enhanced tasks. And it doesn't stop there. Integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics bring enough power for 4K video editing, light gaming, and high-res multitasking. If you're not using a dedicated GPU, this onboard solution delivers serious value. Where the UM890 Pro truly stands out is its quad display support. With HDMI, DP 1.4, and USB-C video out, you can power up to 4 monitors simultaneously, perfect for financial traders, streamers, developers, or productivity pros who live in a multi-window workflow. Networking covered. With dual 2.5G LAN ports, you're set up for blazing fast, low latency transfers and redundancy. It's ideal for NAS setups, small server environments, or pros working in connected studio setups. Thermal design is rock solid with Cculink's advanced cooling system that keeps everything whisper quiet, even under full load. The case is compact, sleek, and durable, and easy to mount or hide behind your monitor for a clean, cable-free desk setup. Running Windows 11 Pro, it's fully optimized for multitasking, enterprise-level control, and productivity out of the box. And with this much RAM and PCIe Gen 4 SSD speed, your workflows will never feel sluggish. So if you're hunting for a top-tier mini PC that rivals full-size towers, the MINISFORUM UM890 Pro absolutely delivers. Tap the Amazon link below to check the latest pricing, and as always, like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring the bell so you never miss a high-end gear drop.